Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making Johsonville brats wrapped in bacon. Let's get started. We have here the Johsonville brats. We're going to open it up real quick. We'll be making 3 today. I'm going to take 3 out. And we're going to take the bacon and wrap it around the brat. Just like that. Do the same thing again. There you go. Alright, wash my hands, and now we're gonna preheat the air fryer. Okay, we're gonna preheat the air fryer at 400 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated at 400 degrees, and we're gonna put the brats in. But before we put it in, we're gonna spray some olive oil. There you go. Now let's put in the brats. Make sure they're spaced out. Good. Okay, we're gonna put them in. And we're gonna set it at 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, we're about the halfway point, and now we're gonna flip the brats. Looking good, smells really good. Go. Put that over. Okay, we're gonna put it back in for the last 8 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Yeah, looking great. Let's check the temperature real quick. And it's around 170 degrees. We're good. Okay, we're gonna put it on the cutting board for now. The next thing what we're gonna do is grab 3 buns. Here we go. Now we're gonna put the brats into the buns and put it back into the air fryer. There we go. Now we're just gonna add some sharp cheddar cheese. Okay, now we're set. We're gonna put it back in at 300 degrees for 2 minutes. Start. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 2 minutes at 300 degrees. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, looking great. Let's take them out. Okay, this is what we have today. Johsonville brats wrapped in bacon with sharp cheddar cheese. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to see more future recipes. And thanks for watching.